Good morning this Wednesday, the 10th of September. I'm Grady Wolf, Senior Market Analyst with Belldirect. The three major averages on Wall Street rose to record territory on Tuesday as investors look past current concerns over the US economic stability and bought into market opportunities. The Dow Jones added 0.43%, the S&P 500 climbed 0.27%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq ended the day up 0.37%. Revisions to payrolls data of late has been the key catalyst spooking investors, with the latest revision by the Labor Department in the US coming in at a reduction of 911,000 for the 12 months to March this year, signalling weakness in the US labour stability. In Europe, overnight markets closed mostly higher, with the Stock 600 rising 0.09%, while Germany's DAX fell 0.37%, the French CAC added 0.23%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up also 0.23%. Across the Asia region on Tuesday, markets closed mixed, with Japan's Nikkei falling 0.42%, while South Korea's Kospi index gained 1.26%, Hong Kong's Seng rose 1.2%, and China's CSI index fell 0.7%. The local market sell-off to start September has extended into this new trading week, with the key index ending Tuesday's session down 0.52%, as investor sentiment has been hit lately by further tariff, US economic and rate outlook uncertainty. Westpac consumer confidence data for September and NAB business confidence data for August were both out yesterday, with declines in both readings, more than economists were expecting amid uncertainty on an economic level. Energy stocks continued their slide this week, with OPEC Plus's weekend decision to increase production of oil output starting in October. And Telix Pharmaceuticals gained over 1.5% yesterday after reaching a deal with the US FDA to file a revised application for its brain cancer imaging agent, incorporating further clinical data. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.71% higher at $62.71 a barrel. Gold is up 0.12% at $3,640 an ounce, and iron ore is up 0.42% at $104.93 a ton. The Aussie dollar has weakened against the greenback to buy 65.84 US cents, 97.06 Japanese yen, 48.62 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 11 cents. Ahead of the midweek trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day down 0.05% despite that record territory on Wall Street overnight. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased the 12-month price target on Lynas Rare Earths from $7.65 to $9.35 and maintain a sell rating on the leading rare earths producer, following the company highlighting its towards 2030 strategy. The analyst sees LYC as priced to perfection with little room for error, highlighting FY25 had higher depreciation, which drove a miss on results. However, does recognise that current themes are pushing LYC higher and they're likely to persist as tailwinds over the short term. And Trading Central has identified a bearish signal on Breville Group following the formation of a pattern over a period of 33 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may fall from the close of $30.89 to the range of $25 to $26.25, according to Standard Principles of Technical Analysis. And that's all we have time for this morning, and that's the markets for today. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.